Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Was Forced to Love My Stepmother, chapter 40. So here it is. Let's read the story. Dr. Rantau and Suman. Well, Janjan suddenly came in on Suman's room. Right now, she seems to be surprised. Boys, how could Rantau be in Suman's room? Right now, it seems that she was suspecting something. Are they? Well, definitely. Since Tao Tao came in to give Suman cleanser. Suman right now, of course. She was teasing her. For Rantau, she doesn't know, but it was a plan of Suman. It seems that it is really a misunderstanding, Suman said to her. Well, definitely. She was acting really good, that's why. Tao Tao doesn't notice it. For a moment, looking at her, she was acting like she is vulnerable. Tao Tao, how can you be so cute? Oh, right now. You really want to tease her, but what could be Tao Tao's response towards her? She is staring at me and laughing at not looking. What are you doing? Could it be that I think I have broken her good deeds and plan to settle accounts after the autumn? Don't do anything, Tao Tao said to herself, but right now she moved closer to her. Well, definitely, Tao Tao. She was plotting something against her. Looking at her, it seems that our pure Tao Tao, now she really learned a lot. And we can see how she can apply this on Suman. Tao Tao, she moved closer to her. Number one, get off and sleep, okay? But by doing this, it turns out Suman's heart, it was really thumping. But at this moment, since Janjan hear everything, she thought that there's something happening inside. But it was really a misunderstanding. Wow, haha, you're still too young to argue with me. Well, definitely. Tao Tao thinks that she has advantage on this. Sorry, Teacher Sue, to disturb you. Oh, this girl. Now, she was really too confident on herself. She thinks that she is outsmarting Suman at this moment. Suman said to her, you said you want to sleep with. Well, right now, Tao Tao said to her, do you think? Well, definitely. Suman, she was really good at acting. This is the first time I have seen Suman like this. She used to be able to handle everything with ease, as if everything was under her control. Well, definitely right now. She also liked that. But since Rantau doesn't notice that, it seems that the teasing my stepmother not only drives away the little flies around her, but also make her embarrassed in front of me. Now, it really makes sense to Tao Tao. She is wanting to tease her more. Right now, Tao Tao, she moved closer to her and calling Teacher Suman. Well, definitely, by doing this, of course, Suman, she is really blushing. And Tao Tao clings around over her. Now said to her, would you like to sleep with me? Showing Tao Tao that she really feels this, but of course, it was one of her plan. Tao Tao is really a good student. Suman is praising her. At this moment, Suman, we can see that she is blushing. So Tao Tao can really see this. Of course, what I taught her is now being used on me exactly it was before. Ha ha, I actually become popular. Teacher Su, your face is so red. Are you sick? Tao Tao is asking her. But right now, Tao Tao repeated again. Do you want me to call a doctor for you? Cause Suman, her face is turning red. Tao Tao thought that she was sick. But right now, it was not. Suman, Tao Tao. Suddenly, by calling her, Tao Tao withdrew her hands. Suman, she seems to be in shock. Well, definitely Tao Tao. She doesn't know that Suman is playing. Right now, looking at her, since she don't want to push over. Of course, right now, she really want to escape this. Aha, you wish. Of course, I will go back to my room and sleep. Tao Tao at this moment, she already thinks that she's gonna win on this. Now she ran away, but said to her, just go sleep slowly by yourself. Then she threw a cleanser can towards Suman. Definitely this girl. Suman's know everything, but of course, it makes sense to her. Suman, right now, she catch the cleanser. Now she became speechless. Well, she doesn't know that Rantau could also tricky like this. Well, definitely, two of them is going to trick each other. But none of it happened. You're smiling so proudly. Do you think you have me under your control? Suman said to herself, of course, since Tao Tao ran away from her. Now Tao Tao thinks to herself that she already win this challenge. You want to see me show my weakness. You want to see me lose my face. You want to see me show my weakness. You want to see me to lose my face. Since Xiao Daozi wants to play games, let's play games with her. I successfully played Trick and Suman last night, so I can say I won the game. Knock on Suman's doors in the middle of the night. Next day, it was morning, and it seems that Rantau. Good morning, Jane. Jane seems to be surprised and said to her, good morning, Tao Tao. Well, definitely these two girls needs to talk a lot of things. Janjan, did you get a cow last night? Do you have such a dark circles under your eyes? Tao Tao is asking Janjan. Well, definitely Janjan. She must be having a difficulty last night when she heard those words. Maybe it was because of the sudden changes of the place that I couldn't sleep last night. Janjan, tell the truth. Did Shan Yue do something to you? Well, definitely. She seems to be surprised. The two of them looking at each other. No words are coming out. But right now, probably, she was really shy to ask Tao Tao. But look at them right now. Did you receive Rantao's facial cleanser? How did it feel? I have to knock on the door in the middle of the night. Turns out it was Tangi. Who's calling Suman at this moment? We're helping each other, right? Oh, looking at Suman. It was not bad. Well, definitely be able to help him get Tao Tao's heart. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comment and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Hey guys, membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!